गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू साइबरनॉस चैनल। और आज मेरे साथ ध्रुव हैं जिन्होंने CISSP क्लियर किया है। और चलिए जानते हैं ध्रुव का क्या कहना है इनकी ओवरऑल CISSP सक्सेस जर्नी के बारे में। सो ध्रुव, वेलकम टू द कॉल एंड मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. It was all possible because of Cybernous and Manoj sir. If it wouldn't have been Manoj sir, it won't be possible in such short time. I started my journey within the 100 days, which is promised, and I completed it within 120 days. And I come from a networking background and audit background. I have around total of 8 years of experience, but it was not a simple journey. It requires hard work, rigor, and the commitment towards the program. So I'll speak about the program first, and then I'll speak about the mentorship provided by Manoj sir. The program is designed in a way that anyone can pass within the stipulated timeline, which is 120 to 130 days, not more than that. Sir's guidance is as the utmost part. You have to trust it during the whole journey. The program is designed it in a such a way that you only have to devote 2 to 3 hours every day. It has every day is divided into videos, the smart notes, the punch statements, and regular questions on a daily basis. If you complete it till sixth day of the week, on seventh day sir will come and will discuss about some of the doubts that you have and majorly focus on the questions that are related to that domain or the topic that you covered during the week. The CST's platform is something which is wonderful. It is the way to go, and I don't think anyone in the industry is following something which sir has built and sir is following and making us be there. That is the most important part. Now coming to the platform, the platform is something which is very well designed. It is the holy grail, and you don't need anything else other than that. During that 100 days, it is your go to thing, and if you follow what is there, you will reach miles. The first and foremost, which I like, is the concept mastery thing. If you are not aware or you're not confident in any concept, sir has made a gamification version for you to actually go ahead and clear your concept and gain mastery in it. It has a lot of questions giving you guidance how you're performing, where are your weak areas, and how you will ace in that concept. That is the first part. The second part is the domain practice. You will nowhere get 4,000 across questions across all 8 domains with defining your which is defining your weak areas domain wise. It is giving you objective wise where you are lagging in a specific domain and where you are performing good, so that you know where you are and where you want to be. Third comes the mocks. There are 8 to 9 mocks at this point, but I think sir will be increasing it. But the mock is exactly the same, or it is at par what I experienced in the exam. I passed exam at exact 100 questions, and it was all because of that platform and sir's guidance. Now coming to sir's guidance, during the last 3 to 4 days before, as in the before my exam, my mind was haywire. I was not able to understand. I was under so much pressure that I will not be able to perform in the exam. I called Manoj sir. Manoj sir came on a call. He made sure that I will pass because he has seen me perform in the last 105 days. He had that confidence in me which I was lacking in myself. That guidance, that thing comes from experience and actually looking into students who are actually in his class. So what I have seen is where there might be 15-20 students in one class, but sir's attention is on every student. He understands where the student is going here and there, where his mental state is. And to this point, I have seen that sir was there till last moment. Just before I was entering the exam, I got all the best from sir, which means a lot. Just after coming out of the exam, I called sir. I was about to cry, and I told him that I passed, and the happiness on sir's face and on my face was similar. So it was an achievement for both of us.
Wow, that is so genuine and very emotional, Dhruv. And really, thank you for coming on a call and sharing your, CISSP success journey experience with me as well as with the audience. And thank
Sure.
you. So, guys, if you are really liking these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment below. And also, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and like our channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dhruv. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.